Oh, there we go. We are recording. What's up? As you can see, I got my Havoc suit on. Today we're not doing a car. I don't think all this would be. If I had to put this on in order to clean a car, I don't know. It would be pretty bad. But we're out here. We actually got a food truck on the menu. See what I did there, Joe? I said food truck on the menu. Yeah. You hear me? I'm out here. So anyway, just doing a initial walk around. Got here and got our hoses set up and everything. So we gotta clean all this stuff out, take all this trash out, empty that grease, and then once we do that, we're gonna see what we can do. Clean all that, clean inside this refrigerator. Get up under there, all that stuff. So we definitely have a task upon us. Gotta watch that. I don't think it's gonna be that bad. I think the steam gonna cut right all through this. Got a few extra products. Got this food prep station here that moves. Does this move? No, that doesn't move. So, but other than that, I think we'll be all right. You got out your shoe? Oh yeah. All right, yeah. Got putting the whole suit on. Realized I had some of his shoes. So, I got you. I see what you did there. You got it down. So, anyways, we gonna first thing we're gonna do is it's a bucket. It's that clear bucket out there. Joe, can you grab that? We're gonna get the grease emptied. Take the rest of this trash out, and once we do that, probably gonna start steaming. Get the thing cleaned up. Oh, we got stuff up there. Maybe I just need to do a walkthrough. No talking also. Hey, what the? Joe got it all figured out. You man, Joe. Got some more fries up in there for you.
Disappointed.
Yeah. He can't wait to get a hold of some french fries.
Because I actually killed my mood for fries.
Alrighty then, I have wrapped up, got everything already packed up and all that, cleaned up my mess. Let's take a look at what we got. I will say that I'm not very happy with this general area, but there's not much room for scrubbing, and I did make the decision to go ahead and get as much as clean as I can versus trying to get one single spot. But got all this done. I recommend, I hope they plan on throwing that. I think they don't throw that away. But I was able to get the grease bands done. It's still a little bit of liquid in there. These two things, they need to be taken out anyway, so we can really clean behind there. But got that done, got all up in, I forgot what that's called, the roof? No, it's not a roof. Don't know. But grill, cleaned it up the best I could. We got the stove top, that looks pretty decent. And everything, got these little storage units, well I think this refrigeration storage or something like that. Not 100% sure, but got them cleaned out. Now that, got this table cleaned up all around these windows. So now, I did get the refrigerator best I could. It looks pretty decent, but I think this needs to be taken out as well because it needs to be cleaned up under there from everything that I saw. But otherwise, I was able to get up in the roof and ceiling, some of that stuff down. But overall, I am happy with the results. But I do feel like, I do feel like I could have done better, but I wasn't as prepared as I feel I should have been. But let me know what you think of the before and after and everything. And on that note, I may be coming back to do a touch up on it, or like do the outside or something like that. That is to be determined. I'm gonna let the owner check it out, get his feedback. But that's it, I think, because it is actually going to be for sale. So I'm gonna do one final walkthrough. Yeah. That's that. What did you say? Let me know what you think in the comments. Almost dropped the phone because I ain't got my stand. But let me go ahead and lock this up and head on home, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.